Are we alone in the universe? This question has kept scientists and philosophers up at night for centuries. And now, thanks to advancements in technology, we may finally have an answer. Number 5, the Drake equation. In 1961, astronomer Frank Drake came up with a way to estimate the number of civilizations in our galaxy that could be reached by radio telescopes. His equation takes into account the number of stars in the galaxy, the percentage of stars that have planets, the number of planets that could support life, and the likelihood that life will actually evolve on those planets. According to Drake's equation, there could be as many as 100 billion civilizations in the Milky Way that we could potentially contact. Number 4, Fermi paradox. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi pointed out that if intelligent alien life is so common, why haven't we found any evidence of it yet? He argued that if there are other civilizations out there, they should have visited us already, or at least left some signs of their presence. The apparent absence of extraterrestrial life, or at least intelligent extraterrestrial life, is known as the Fermi paradox. 3, the Great Filter. One explanation for the Fermi paradox is that there's something called the Great Filter. This is the idea that there's some sort of barrier that prevents civilizations from becoming like us or further. For example, maybe there's a natural disaster that wipes out most life in the universe before it can advance. Or perhaps there's some other factor that limits the number of civilizations that can reach a certain level of development. 2, the rare Earth hypothesis. Another explanation for the Fermi paradox is the rare Earth hypothesis. This is the idea that the conditions that led to the development of life and intelligence on Earth are so unusual that it probably hasn't happened anywhere else in the universe. Proponents of this hypothesis argue that we should not expect to find any other civilizations because we are truly alone in the universe. Number 1, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Despite the Fermi paradox and the Great Filter and the rare Earth hypothesis, scientists continue to search for signs of intelligent life beyond our planet. In fact, there are several ongoing projects searching for signals from distant civilizations. So far, however, none of these projects have turned up any conclusive evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence. The question of whether we are alone in the universe is one of the most profound and perplexing mysteries of our time. While we may never have a definitive answer, the search for extraterrestrial life is one of the most exciting and important endeavors of our generation. This has been our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.